So my observation about one or harmony, there are three possibilities. So from the daily chart, I can see that it has making a triangle here, or a bull flag, I have to say. And my Fibonacci area is from the swing low at 0.008 to the swing high 0.22 cents. Yeah, 22 cents. And the golden area to buy, the best area to buy is after it bounced back the 0.09. And if it doesn't get this low, if it bounced back only on the 50 fib, which is around 11 cents, then there are, okay, so there are totally three possibilities that this can go. Uh, the best thing is when the MACD goes lower than what it is now, which is around 0.00256 would be the best, and RSI would be going all the way to 37 instead of what it is now. It's 53. It's pretty medium. It's not the lowest, but okay. The first possibility is when is the best time to buy? Okay, this is the third best time to buy. It is when it broke out this triangle, bounced back, and reached the target. This is the target. So 22 cents is the target, but some conservative target would be around 20 cents because there's a lot of resistance here. So if this is the first option to buy, we can get at least 40% profit or 55% profit from this 382 bounce back. Second possibility is if it broke down the triangle. Okay, so if it keeps going down, then it's really bearish. Then we just leave it until it's bounced back. But if it's broke down and bounced back, the 50 fib area, and we put the sell limit here or the sell limit here, which is around 19 cents or 21 cents. So the buy would be around here for the second possibility. For the first possibility would be here. So the third possibility is if it's broke down the 50 fib and kept on going the 618. Okay, but it has to bounce back the 618, which is around 0.09. Then the best buy would be around here, around 0.099 or something like that, or maybe maybe 11 cents still the best buy because of previous support, and then we can reach a higher profit from here. Let's say we're being a little bit conservative, 10 cents to we can get 96% profit or even 115% profit, but it's gonna take a while because this is let's say the fundamental of this. Okay, one harmony, it's rank 82 right now. Market capital is 1.4 billion, circulating supplies in 9.4 billion. This is a lot of coins out there. 9.4 out of 12 billion. That is 78% circulating supply in billions, so it's a lot. I don't think it's going to move as I don't think it's going to be as volatile as the one that has 15% circulation supply, like audio or engine or whatever. So see how long this take. This one single chart is 1 day, so it takes a very long time to move from one day to another day to another day. So this is my three possibility in one or harmony. Let me know what you think.